Hello, COVA staff. This is Nick Cady, one of the computer science and engineering teachers with COVA. I'm the other Cady. Anyways, I wanted to talk to you all about the Hour of Code, which is coming up. And if you're anything like me, you've received dozens of emails about it at this point. You may be wondering, what is this Hour of Code that you keep hearing about? And really what it is, it's a collaborative effort of a bunch of different individuals and companies, high-tech companies out there that have come together and said that coding is something that students in the United States need to be exposed to in elementary school and in high school, middle school and high school, so that they consider it as something to study at the collegiate level so that they could potentially have that as a career. As I mentioned, you've got Microsoft, you've got HP, you've got Facebook, you've got Twitter, all kinds of different groups have come together working on this, and you're going to see a video in just a little bit. But their home page, their home site that they're putting all this collaboration onto is code.org, which I'm displaying here. You'll be watching this video in just a couple minutes. Yeah, one more thing I wanted to show you is, well, why coding? Why are we so interested in this? There's a great website that I use a lot called payscale.com. And what it does is it takes about 130 of the most commonly awarded bachelor's degrees in the United States, and it ranks them based on their starting salary and their mid-career salary, which is considered 15 years into your career. And if you look at the top of this, the top 20 or 30 paying bachelor's degrees out there, it's about 90% math and science based, a lot of engineering type positions. But in there, you're going to see computer engineering, you're going to see computer science, and you'll find software engineering right in there. And really, for a school like COVA, this is right up our alley. Okay, we are high tech. We are based around computers and technology and all software and hardware. And if you look at the students that we have coming through our programs, Eric Vanderwerf he wants to go to MIT next year. Trenton Baldry is up at Rensselaer Polytech right now. And Sean Cooney went to CU Boulder and was originally in the School of Engineering. I'm not sure what he's doing now. But anyways, we have these students at COVA, and we need to make sure that we are addressing their needs. So the way this works is on code.org. There's a bunch of tutorials. I think they're aiming for about a dozen different tutorials to put together that are for beginners. And they have some that are for somebody who's never done any programming, and some for students that have some experience with programming. But they're being set up in a way that the teacher, regardless of their experience, the teacher can facilitate this process. So it's not meant to be intimidating at all. They know that their best way to get access to students is through the teachers. And so if it's intimidating, if it's not user-friendly, it's not going to happen. So they set it up in a way that is you just click, you direct the students to a certain website, and the tutorials will start up, and the students will be taken care of because they're trying to get 10 million students to do this Hour of Code second week of December, and they want our students to be involved. So if you've ever heard of Scratch, or Khan Academy, Tinker, Code Academy, Lightbot, App Inventor, these are all just some of the examples of the tutorials that are going to be set up. They have some tutorials, for example, one right here that's based around Angry Birds. And you're getting the little Angry Bird to navigate over and get the piggy, and you have to write the program to get him to do that. So it's getting to the students to think logically to make something happen the way they want it to happen. There's a couple videos that I'm going to have Melissa show you. The first one is just about 3 minutes long. It's called the Hour of Code Walkthrough, and this really is for teachers and telling you how to go about facilitating this process and doing it with your students. And then there's another video. It's a 5-minute video. I guess it's almost 6 minutes. But this is all of the main people involved in putting this together, and it's really inspiring. You'll watch it and you'll think, gosh, maybe I should take a programming class also. And so Melissa's going to show you both of those videos, and I hope this makes sense. And we'll be putting together more information on the Hour of Code in the next couple of weeks. So when the time comes, it'll be very simple for you just to roll out to the students, and our students will participate in this activity that is going on across the country.